Hi, this is Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming with another product review. This is pretty cool. This is from Kensington.com. This is the SD1600P USB-C mobile docking station. This thing has pass-through charging. It's got 4K HDMI outputs or HD VGA Win, Chrome, or Mac ability. Pretty cool that way. Universal compatibility, works with USB-C or Thunderbolt 3, and supports Windows, Macs, and Chrome operating systems. And it gives you pass-through power as well, so you can charge your stuff when you're taking and doing it. It's got versatile video connections to provide for HDMI 4K at 30 Hz or VGA Full HD 1080p. To an external monitor, TV, or projector. Pretty cool that way. It's got 3 USB ports on it. The 2 of them are 3.0 ports and an extra USB-C port for data synchronization. Built-in charging hub, so when you're not connected or docking, you can charge your low-power mobile devices using 2 USB 3.0 ports. And it's got a Gigabit Ethernet port plug. Also an 8-inch hideaway USB cable. I think this cable makes it so that it's really easy to travel with it. It's very light, so it's something you can take with you if you want to put it in your travel case, suitcase, and go places with it. Compact design, like I said, it just fits easily wherever you want to take it to. Anyway, we got a chance to test it out, and it does a really, really great job. And it's fairly inexpensive, and of course, it's got the Kensington quality to it. Be sure to check it out. Go to Kensington.com. Check out the SD1600P USB-C mobile docking station.